Hi, everybody. It's Scott Johnstone with Be the Best Academy, and welcome back. Today, we're going to go over the overview video for the module Finance. And understanding finance and understanding the ins and outs of how you can find capital, deploy capital, use it as leverage, use it as a force multiplier to buy real estate, help your clients buy real estate, help you understand the ins and outs of the economics of every deal, both from an investment perspective and a IRR, internal rate of return perspective, as well as the ins and outs of what banks do or won't do at any one given moment in time. Will make you so valuable to your clients that you'll be the go-to guy, or the go-to girl, woman. The idea behind that is that clients oftentimes know this stuff. Certainly the biggest developers and investment firms do, but sometimes the smaller clients don't. And if you can guide them to the right source of finance and make suggestions about which the best bank is, a life company or whatever, who's giving out what capital for what investment type, you will become an invaluable asset to anyone you work with. And it's funny, I learned this stuff early on because we did so many development projects and then started selling them as investments. But I had to know this stuff. Number one, looking at it from an investment perspective, there's a program called Argus, which you should learn. I would get a version of Argus, take Argus training, understand the setup of the assumptions page, how to manipulate it so that you can show a higher or lower return based on different variables. I would do that as early on as possible in my career. Next, I would either take a finance course or start speaking with banks. They say, when you've got a buyer looking to buy a piece of property, call around to the banks. Hey, what would you provide in the way of financing for this? What would be the down payment, the leverage, the debt coverage ratio, as well as the loan to value ratio. I would learn all of these things from a real-time perspective from a variety of banks, and I would always have loan brokers. It's funny, your investment firm, mine is with Bank of America Merrill Lynch, will send you this stuff weekly. And there'll be a variety of loan people in the marketplace that will provide you with this stuff weekly. And you can summarize it, or they'll summarize it for you. But you always have it topical and handy to be able to guide your clients into the best financing options for both investments, development deals, and acquisitions, just traditional. Critical. The other aspect of it is what I mentioned with Argus, which is understanding the ins and outs of internal rates of return and risk and discounted cash flows and all of the things that are pertinent to investors when they look at buying an asset, when they're trying to mitigate risk as well as maximize their internal rates of return and basic cash on cash returns. Learn that stuff and you'll be at an elite level. So that's my suggestion for today. We talk about all of those things in our series. Make sure you go through each one of the video series, get your certification, ask me questions along the way, make recommendations if you need so, reach out to talk about this stuff. I hope this is adding value to your life. That's really the goal for me. I'm trying to give back so that you have all that foundation of knowledge so that you make better decisions, provide better service and knowledge to your clients so that they see you as the best in your industry, as best in your segment of the marketplace. So once again, Scott Johnstone, thanks so much. Have a great day.